Hey, how's it going, Craig? Thank you for opening this video. My name is Lucas, and I was talking with Laura about this short video that I prepared for you guys of 3 things that I found on your website that you can fix really easily so you can start beating your competition online. In this case, Lars Remodel and Miramar Kitchen and Bath. So you can see when you look for San Diego Kitchen Remodel are the guys that show at the very top of Google, here and here. So they are the ones getting all the business. But by fixing these 3 things that I'm going to tell you about, you'll be able to get those spots and beat them and get all the business that they're getting right now, if not more. You may wonder why I made this video for you. This is simple. I make these videos for business owners because I know you guys are really busy taking care of your business and your customers, so you don't really have time to learn how to use the internet to bring you more business. And also, when it comes to hire somebody to do that for you, it's hard to tell who's an expert and who's not. So I like to make these free educational videos for business owners and send it to them so they have all the information. And some of them, they like to take it and apply it themselves, but some of them, they call me and they have me help them or doing it for them. Anyways, either one is okay with me. I do this for because it's what I like and it's my passion. But if you like what you see and you want me to help you get in there, just give me a call or send me an email and I'll gladly help you. That said, let's jump into it. I want to talk about the 3 main things that Google uses to rank a website at the very top. That is content, backlinks, and citations. Content, as you can imagine, is everything on your website. Okay, all the pictures, all the text, how the pictures are saved as, and also what is behind those pictures. I'd say that you have a couple really good looking pictures and some content already. So when I paste it on the word counter, you have about 400 words of content. Usually Google likes to see about 2,000 words of content for the websites that they rank at the very top. As you see here, Last Remodel, they have about 1,500 words. Yeah, 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. Okay, so this is really important. You don't want just any content. You want a keyword-rich content. That means that you make a little research on the terms that people look up the most regarding the services that you provide, remodeling or plumbing. Okay, and then you drop those terms several times throughout the website, throughout those 2,000 words. So when somebody look it up, Google can find your site and just show it to them on the first results. Second thing, backlinks. A backlink is basically another website, put in a link that when you click it, it takes you back over here. And this works kind of like a popularity contest. Google likes to see a bunch of relevant websites vouching for you. All right, so you can get a backlink from any kind of website that talks about fashion or food, but it's not as important and powerful as if another website that does remodeling or construction, something within the same niche, gives you a backlink. That would give you the real power and the real trust on Google Eyes, and that's how you get to the very top. So those are the backlinks you want to go after. How you check backlinks? Here we use a tool called Ahrefs. Okay, here when I put your website, I see that you have 10 referring domains at the moment. This means that you have 10 websites out there. You click it, somewhere in the website there's a link that when you click it, it takes you back over here. You see your competition, Lars Remodel has 74, Miramar Kitchen and Bath 38. And these guys, it's not just the number, they have really powerful backlinks. So how you beat them? As easy as copying them. If they're good for them, they're good for you. So just go through every single one of these websites, and through every single one of these ones, you make a profile and you drop a link to your website on that profile. That way, you'll be having all the same backlinks as them. So if they're good for them, as I said, they're good for you. Now, all you need to do is just add some more on top. So you're not just matching them, you're beating them. And with the 2,000 words of content and those backlinks, you'll be getting here in no time and getting all that business. Last thing I want to talk about is citations, which a citation is basically your business information listed in several directories throughout the web, like yellow pages, white pages, Facebook, and Yelp. And this list, all those are completely valid directories, and it's thousands of them more on the web. All you need to do, as you can maybe imagine already, is have more citations than your competition. So you can use any tool that allows you to check citations, and you check your main competitor. Let's say they have 150. Me personally, I would go for like 300 at least, but usually you need to put about 300 more just to ensure that you take that first place. All right. So once it's done, you'll be assuring that you have the first spot over here and the first spot over here. And the good thing about this one is that you can do it completely for free. Now, let's make a little recap. You want 2,000 words of keyword-rich content on the front of your page. Then you want to build a strong backlink profile that you can start doing by copying all the referring domains of your competition and adding some extra on top. And last but not least, you want to build at least 100 more citations than your main competitor in order to rank at the very top. With that, you'll be getting all the business and your phone will be ringing crazy. So if you're interested in this, I would recommend you to start as soon as possible, since implementing all this takes some time, and the sooner you're done, the sooner your business will be blowing up. Then, if you like what you see in the video and you want me to help you get there, just give me a call or send me an email and I'll be more than happy to help. But if you want to take all this information and do it yourself, just feel free to do. If you have any questions throughout the process, just give me a call, send me an email, and I'll help you. That said, if you can give me a little bit of feedback on this video, that would really help me. I do these things for free, and the feedbacks really make my day. Thank you, one.